In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for free consultation calls. By the end, you'll have a simple booking link your clients can use to pick a time that works for both of you without the back and forth emails. First, open Calendly and log into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the Create button, usually located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Create. This is where you'll set up a new event type specifically for your consultation calls. When the options appear, choose one-on-one. This tells Calendly that this event will be just between you and one other person, which is perfect for free consultations. One-on-one events are the standard format for discovery calls, coaching sessions, or quick intro chats. Next, you'll choose how this meeting will happen. From the event type options, click on phone call. This sets the location of the event as a phone call, which means your invitees will know they're booking a call rather than a video meeting or in-person session. You can usually adjust the exact details later, like whether you'll call them or they'll call you, but for now, selecting phone call is enough. Once your basic event is created, you'll want to define when you're available. Find and click on the Availability tab for this new event. This is a crucial step because it controls the days and times people can book with you. Take a moment here to choose time windows that fit your schedule and your energy. For example, you might only want to offer free consultation calls on certain weekdays or within specific hours. Setting this up carefully will help you avoid burnout and double booking. After you've reviewed your availability and you're happy with it, click on Create to finalize this event type. This saves all the settings you've just chosen and generates a booking page for your consultation call. Now, if you ever need to repeat this process, you can. Just go back to Calendly, return to your main dashboard, and click on Create again to start setting up another event. When you see the prompt for the host, select one host, since this is just you offering the call. That keeps things simple and aligned with a straightforward one-on-one consultation. Once everything is set up, you can share your event link with prospects and let Calendly handle the scheduling for you.